Growing brinjal, eggplant, at home can be a satisfying and rewarding experience, providing you with a fresh and abundant supply of this versatile vegetable. With the right techniques and care, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest of brinjal right from your home garden. In this step-by-step guide, we will walk you through the process of growing lots of brinjal at home, ensuring a successful and fruitful cultivation. Prepare the soil. Brinjal thrives in well-draining soil rich in organic matter. Prepare the soil by adding compost or well-rotted manure to enhance fertility. Ensure the soil pH is between 5.5 and 7.0, providing an ideal environment for brinjal growth. Step 3. Start seeds indoors, optional. For an early start, you can sow brinjal seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Use seed trays or pots filled with seed starting mix. Once the seedlings have grown to about 4 to 6 inches tall, they can be transplanted outdoors. Planting brinjal seeds or seedlings. Whether starting from seeds or transplanting seedlings, ensure proper spacing between plants, typically around 18 to 24 inches apart. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the root ball and gently place the seedling or seeds in the soil. Water thoroughly after planting. Provide adequate watering. Brinjal plants require consistent moisture for optimal growth. Water the plants regularly, keeping the soil consistently moist. Be cautious not to overwater, as brinjal plants are susceptible to waterlogged conditions. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the brinjal plants to retain soil moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Mulching also helps prevent soil-borne diseases and keeps the fruit clean. Carefully inspect the brinjal plants for pests such as aphids, spider mites, and fruit borers. Use organic pest control methods or insecticidal soap to keep pest populations in check. Additionally, practice good garden hygiene to prevent diseases. Harvesting time varies depending on the brinjal variety. Typically, brinjals are ready for harvest 60 to 80 days after planting. Harvest when the fruits are glossy and firm, using pruning shears or a sharp knife to cut the stems. Regular harvesting encourages continuous fruit production. Step 11. Enjoy your homegrown brinjal. Once harvested, your homegrown brinjals are ready to be enjoyed in various culinary delights. Whether grilled, roasted, or included in your favorite recipes, the satisfaction of homegrown produce will enhance your culinary experience. Conclusion. Following this step-by-step guide will empower you to grow lots of brinjal at home successfully. With proper care, attention to detail, and a bit of patience, you can enjoy a continuous harvest of fresh and delicious brinjals from your own garden.